what is the false memory phenomenon? False memory is the cognitive tendency to either remember events that never happened or remembering them quite differently from the way that they happened in reality. An example of when this could occur is in cases with trauma. Multiple studies and research have found that following a traumatic episode, individuals have been known to create pseudo-memories, objectively false, in which the said individual truly believes occurred. Researcher Elizabeth Lotus concluded that individuals with trauma can experience false memory in the form of repression due to said memories being just too painful to remember. Popular media has explained this phenomenon through multiple Hollywood films, such as Shutter Island. In this film, a man experiences a terrible tragedy of losing his family. Being too traumatic, the man experiences the phenomenon of false memory, creating a false reality where this event never occurred, in order to cope with the pain. Now that we've learned how false memories happen, let's talk about another cognitive bias we experience on a daily basis, the anchoring effect. The anchoring effect is a cognitive bias in the decision-making process that is influenced by the information offered beforehand, and once the emphasis is put on the anchor, our future judgments are unconsciously set around it. This makes this phenomenon almost impossible to overcome and a nightmare for psychologists conducting research. But the anchoring effect is not only common in science, but in real life too. Have you ever wondered why you left the mall with a pair of jeans you didn't need? Was the offer just too good? Imagine you are shopping and suddenly you see a perfume advertised with a 50% discount. The store posted a before and after price with the discount, and then you buy it. You've been anchored. So now that we have gone over the definitions of false memories and anchoring effects, let us talk about how the two concepts relate and interact in the real world. In 2010, Kimberly Wade conducted a study where they looked at anchoring effects in the development of false childhood memories. In this study, participants were told 4 separate childhood memories, one of which were fake. There were 2 separate ways in which they were told these supposed childhood memories occurred. In one, they were first given a description of the events and then shown a picture. In the other manner, they were shown a picture first and then given the description. After a tedious and detail-oriented experimentation process, it was found that the description first subjects were more likely to report false childhood memories than the photo first subjects. This pattern that fits with the anchoring mechanism. This is just one example of how anchoring effects have an influence on the creation of false memories.